Hello there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix invalid or missing authentication token error in Meccha Chameleon. This will be an easy guide on how to do them, a 3 simple step guide, so basically follow along. And if you do have any questions during the video, comment down in the comment section down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and let's proceed with the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend is fully restarting your Steam and log out of your client. So to close out Steam, just go ahead and click X right over here, click on the arrow right over here, right click on Steam, exit Steam. Once it exit out, go ahead and right click on your taskbar, Task Manager, and any processes that is currently on Task Manager that is basically connected to Steam, go ahead and right click on it and end tasks. Once everything is set then closed for Steam, go ahead and relaunch your Steam and see if the problem still persists. Now, if the problem still persists, what we could do is by going on your Steam, go ahead and once more go to Library, right click on Steam right over here, or right click on Meccha Chameleon, click on Properties, click Install Files, verify integrity of game files. What will this do? It's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be affecting the token authentication one. So go ahead and click on it. Alright, once done, go ahead and exit out and relaunch the game. And if the problem still persists, most likely you have something on General right over here. Still on the right click and Properties right over here, General. And if you do have any launch options that might be on any codes that is currently here, just go ahead and delete anything that is on there and relaunch the game and it should be fixed. Lastly, go ahead and click on your start menu right over here, type ncmd, run as administrator, and then type in ipconfig flush DNS. Press enter. Sometimes it is just a network issue with the authentication token, but no worries, go ahead and do that, relaunch the game, and it should be fixed. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.